Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss exponents and cross lesson. First we will discuss formulas. First formula: a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. We will take example. Here a is the value. Here a is the value and m is the power. A is value and m is power. We should do the formula. This is a power m minus n. We will take example. A has 5, B m has 2, next n has 1. A is 5, m is 2, 5, a power n, a 5, n 1 equal to a 5, m minus n, 2 minus 1 equal to 5 power 1 equal to 5. Okay? Next, second formula. 1 minute. Second formula. A power n whole power n equal to a power m n. A we will erase the value and m is power. This is whole power m. Here we should multiply m and n. Example is we will take a as 5, n is 1, m is 2, n is 1. A 5 square 4 power 1 equal to 5 power 2 into 1. 5 square 25 power 1. 25 power 1 equal to 5 square 25. 25 power 1 is 5. 25 equal to 25. Next, third formula. You understood? Next, third formula. A power n into b power n equal to b whole power n. Your wish, you can take a as anything. A equal to we will take 2, b equal to we will take 1, m equal to 2. Next we will apply the formula. 2 power m means 2 into b. B is 1, m2 equal to a b. m2 into b. It is b1. m means 2. Okay. 2 square 4 into 1 square 1 equal to 2 into 1. 2 whole square. 4 equal to 4. You understood? You can see one. Yeah. If you not understand, I can explain one more time. We will take a as 2, b as 1, m as 2. 2 power a means 2. We will apply this formula. A means 2. Next m means 2. Next into b. B means 1. Whole power m. M means square. 2. M means 2. 1 square equal to ab whole power m. A means 2. B means whole square equal to 4 equal to 4. Next formula. Fourth formula. A power m by b power n equal to a by b whole power m. We will take values like this. A equal to 2, b equal to 1, next m equal to 2. A 2 power n 2 by b power 1 power 2 equal to a. A means 2 by b 1 whole square. This 2 square 4 by 1 equal to 2 square. We should separate 2 square by 1 square equal to 4 by 1. These both are equal, so the formula is satisfied. Next, fifth formula is fifth one. A power not equal to 1. We'll take a power not equal to into a power 1 equal to a power not means 1 into a power 1 is squared. A equal to a. Okay? You can note down. Next, we will do some sums. Example 1, page number 118. Example 1, page number 118. You can open the government textbook or you can listen. I will tell the questions also. Example 1. First sum is 2 power minus 3. 2 power minus 3 means we can write it as 1 by 2 power 3. 1 by 2 power 2 cube is 8. So the answer is 1 by 8. Next, second sum. In first sum, the second sum is 3 power minus 2 equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 1 by 3 square 9. So the 9 will come to the final answer is 9. You can note down. Okay. Next, second sum. You can take it screenshot before. Next, second sum. Simplify. Simplify. First one, minus 4 power 5 into minus 4 power minus 10. We should simplify this. This is long process. Minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. We should write 4 power 5 means we should write minus 4. It has 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more we should write 5 times. Into minus 10. Whole power minus will be means we should write 1 by minus 4. The space will not sufficient. Into 1 by minus 4 into 1 by minus 4. It has completed. I will write that down. 1 by minus 4. 1 by minus 4. 1 by minus 4. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 by minus 4. 1 by minus 4. Students, 1 by minus 4 into 1 by minus 4. We can cancel 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can write it as 1 by minus 4 power 5. The solution is completed. you want means you can take screenshot. Or we can use the formula way also. For not this sum, next sum. For sorry, this sum only we can use the formula. Next, second sum. In second sum. 2 power 5 divided by 2 power minus 6. This is the formula. A power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. A means 2. Next m 5 by a 2. Next n minus 6 equal to 2 power 5 plus 6 equal to 2 power 11. Okay, it will come 1028 or something. May I get answer? Next, third one. Express 4 power minus 3 as power with base 2. We have 4 into third one. I will not write the question. Read the question. Express 4 power minus 3 as a power with the base 2. We have 4 equal to 2 into 2. That is not formula. Next. They ask that 4 power minus 3 as a power. Next, base 2. 4 power minus, the formula is a power m whole power n equal to a power m whole power into n. 4 power minus 3 equal to 2 into 2 whole power minus 3. Next, 2 we can write. 2 is came 2 times. 4 we can write it as 2 square whole power minus 3. The power is 4 power minus 3. Okay. Equal to 2 power 2 into minus 3 equal to 2 power minus 6. The final answer is 2 power minus 6. You can take screenshot. Next, fourth sum. Fourth first sum is 2 power 5 divided by 2 power 8 whole power 5 into 2 power minus 5. This is easy. 2 power 5 by 2 power 8 whole power 5 into 2 power minus 5. 2 power 5 we cannot do now. We can write it as 2 power 5 whole power 5 by 2 power 8 whole power 5 into 2 power minus 5. 25 by 2 power 8 into 5, 2 power 8 into 5 means 40 into 2 power minus 5. 2 power minus 5 means 1 by 2 power 5. Next, here this 40 and 20 will cancel. 40 will cancel in 25 means there will be 15. 15 only. 3, 2 cube 8, 2 cube by 2, 2 square 4. Next, second sum. You not understood means you can comment and say again in next video. Next, the sum is minus 4 powers minus 3 into 5 power minus 3 into minus 5 power minus 3. Next, 1 by 4 power minus 3 means minus 64. No. We can write just normally. Into minus 5 means 1 by 5 cube 125 into 1 by again minus 5 power 3 should multiply it. 1 by minus 4 power cube means minus 64. Minus 64 into 1 by 125 into 1 by minus 125. You should multiply, the answer will come. Oh, sorry. I forgot that too. We can cancel the minus 3. It is common in the all. We can common minus 4 into 5 into minus 5 whole power minus 3. Okay? 4 5 is 20. 20 into 5 100. 100 power minus 3 equal to 1 by 100 power 3. 100 power 3 means 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay? You can note down or you can take screenshot. I will be kept on the board only on it. Canada? One by 8 into students. I think you not understood from fourth sum. I will explain again. Students, now we will discuss the fourth problem. The problem is 2 power minus 5. 2 power 5. We wrote the wrong divided by 2 power 8 is into 2 power minus 5. 2 power 5 by 2 power 8 means we will come the answer 1 by 2 power minus 3 means 2 power 3 into 2 power minus 5. The answer 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, students. We know the formula A power m by A power n equal to A power m minus n. 2 power minus 3 will come into whole power 5 into 2 power minus 5. 2 power minus 15 into 2 power minus 5. We know the formula A power m into A power n equal to A power m plus n. M plus n, the answer will come 2 power minus 20 equal to 1 by 2 power 20. Next, fourth second problem. Fourth second problem is 1 by 8 into 3 power minus 3. We will write 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is 2 cube into 3 power minus 3 equal to, we will take 2 power 3 up. 2 power minus 3 into 3 power minus 3. Now 2 into 3 whole power minus 3 equal to 6 power minus 3 equal to 1 by 6 power 3. The last problem is fifth problem. Last problem is fifth problem. 2 power n plus 1 into 2 power m plus 1 into minus 3 power whole power minus 3 whole power m plus 1 into minus 3 whole power 5 equal to minus 3 whole power 7. Okay. We know the formula A power m plus A power m into A power m equal to A power m plus n. Okay. A power m is minus 3 whole power m plus 1 is m plus 6 will come equal to minus 3 whole power 7. The m will be 1 because 1 plus 6 equal to 7. Thank you, students. The part 1 video is completed. In the part 2 we will discuss exercise 1 and exercise 2. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you not understood you can comment me. I will explain again in the video. Thank you. Students, you can subscribe not only Satvik Red Socket YouTube channel, you can subscribe Satvik Red Socket dance channel and Satvik Red Socket cricket channel and Satvik Red Socket culture channel. Please, thank you. Please subscribe, like, share, subscribe, comment. Please. The video is completed. Bye bye.